Hello everyone, I'm Shikha Sharma and today we are going to begin with a very important topic of writing section, that is diary entry. So without taking much time, let's get started. Let's know the objectives of learning a diary entry. It is to give knowledge about what a diary entry is and what is the purpose of writing a diary, to improve the thought process of the students, to enhance the writing skills of the students, and to enable them to write a diary. In this video, we will learn what a diary entry is, what is the correct format of writing a diary, and in order to make you all familiar with diary entry, I will also be sharing with you examples. Now, first of all, let us know what a diary entry is. A diary entry is a kind of personal journal. Journal means any book or register in which day-to-day experiences means हमारे रोजमर्रा का कोई भी experience जो या कुछ भी घटना हुई हो हमारे साथ, and incidents are recorded expressing the feelings and thoughts of a writer. और उस इंसिडेंट या एक्सपीरियंस जो भी हमारा हुआ है उसके साथ रिलेटेड हमारी कोई भी फीलिंग्स हैं या थॉट्स हैं उसको अपनी किसी रजिस्टर या डायरी में या किसी बुक में नोट डाउन करना, दैट इज अ डायरी एंट्री. इट इज बेसिकली अ पर्सनल अकाउंट ऑफ समवन्स लाइफ. ये बेसिकली किसी भी इंसान का एक अपनी उसकी निजी जिंदगी का कोई भी इंसिडेंट हो सकता है. It is a short composition written in about 100 to 120 words. ये short composition के अंडर बेटा आपको आता है and it is written in about 100 to 120 words. One does not write about things happening on daily basis. Only matters of some significance are recorded. अब ये नहीं कि डेली बेसिस पे हम कितने बजे उठे थे या कितने बजे सोए थे ये सब हम डायरी में लिखते हैं. नो, we write only matters of significance. Significance means of importance. कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट जो आपको लगता है worth recording है, only those incidents are written in the diary entry. Now let us see what is the correct layout or format of writing a diary. First of all, we write the day. Like today is Tuesday, so we will write Tuesday, then comma, then date. Like today is June 30, 2020, so we will write Tuesday, comma, June 30, 2020. After that, we will leave one line. Then in the next line, we will write time. Children, usually when we write time, we write at night only. Diary entry is usually written at night. So commonly we write 9:30 or 10:30 like this. And after that again we leave one line. Then we write the content matter. And finally in the end again we leave one line and then we write the name of the person who has written this diary entry. Now there are certain points that you need to keep in your mind while writing a diary. Number one is day, date and time should be mentioned in the upper left hand corner. Secondly, diary entry is written in first person using pronouns like I, me, my, we, etc. Means that whenever you write a diary entry, you should use pronouns like I, me, my, we, etc. for yourself. Number 3, use past tense while writing a diary. Since we are recording or we are writing any incident and our feelings related to that incident which has already happened, so diary entry is always written in past tense. The language used in diary writing should be informal and personal. Since diary entry is meant for personal use, so the language that you are using while writing a diary should be informal and personal. Next is you should write as if you have really been a part of the situation. Now when you are writing a diary, Kindly put yourself into that situation, whatever situation has been given to you. अपने आप को सोचो कि आप उस situation में हो. Only then you will be able to do justice to your expressions, right? Be honest and candid. Candid means truthful and straightforward, or you can say frank while writing a diary. So this is very, very important that when you are writing a diary, be honest. Write your real feelings. जो भी आपके मन में feelings आ रही हैं, according to the situation that is given to you, उसके according ही you will be writing your feelings, and you have to be truthful and honest. End with an appropriate conclusion. So when you are ending your diary entry, it should end with a proper conclusion. Creativity, imagination and expression are tested in diary writing. So when you are being evaluated for your this diary entry, what are the things that are being noted? That is creativity, कि आप कितने creative हो, कितने new ideas या feelings किस हिसाब से आप express कर रहे हो, आपकी imagination उस situation को लेकर कैसी है, and yes, of course, your expression of thought, what type of vocabulary you are using, all these things are tested in the diary writing. Now let's practice writing a diary entry. First example is, imagine you are Raj or Rohini. It was your birthday today and your parents made it a special day by giving you surprises throughout the day. Write a diary entry expressing your feelings about the same. So first of all, we will write day, that is today's day, Tuesday. Then we will write date, that is June 30, 2020. After that, we will leave one line, and then we will write time. Time we will write as 10:30 p.m. or you can write any other time as well, like 9:30 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. It depends upon you. After that, again we will leave one line, and then we will start with our content matter. Children, please remember that day, date and time should be written in the upper left hand corner of the page, right? Now coming to the content. So whenever you are writing content, kindly put yourself in that situation. अपने आप को उस सिचुएशन में डालो जो आपको हेडिंग में दी गई है. अब इस हेडिंग में क्या सिचुएशन थी? That it was your birthday and your parents, they had given you surprises throughout the day, and you have to write your feelings as per those surprises. आपको अपने बर्थडे पर जैसे पेरेंट्स से सरप्राइजेस मिले, आपको उन फीलिंग्स को लिखना है, राइट? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज अ हैप्पी थिंग. तो आप लिखोगे that today was my birthday and my parents made it a memorable day for me as they had planned many pleasant surprises for me. आप ऐसे भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, आप ऐसे भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो that today I am very happy because my parents had made my day, that is my birthday, a special day for me by giving me pleasant surprises. So whatever the occasion is, according to that your feelings will be. If it is a happy occasion, then you will write that I am very happy. Yeah, it was a memorable day for me. If it is something sad has happened, then you will write that I am very sad. Yeah, I am very upset. According to the situations, your mood will be. Children, जब भी आप डायरी एंट्री लिखते हो, be honest, be truthful. जैसे हमने ये points to remember में भी किया है, that we have to be honest and candid. Candid means truthful, honest, frank, straightforward. मतलब ज़्यादा घुमा के बात नहीं करनी है. We have to be straightforward and truthful. After that, we will write that what were the pleasant surprises that were given to me by my parents. So how we will write? When I got up in the morning, I found 2 nicely wrapped gifts kept on my bed. I was very excited to see the gifts and was about to open them when my parents came in my room with a birthday cake especially baked by my mother. तो आप कैसे लिखोगे कि when I got up there were gifts lying on my bed. फिर I was about to open, then my mother came, and my father came with a birthday cake. They wished me and together we opened the gifts. फिर मम्मा पापा ने विश किया आपको और आपने मिलकर मम्मा पापा के साथ गिफ्ट्स ओपन किए. I did not go to school as my parents had planned an outing. तो उस दिन मैं स्कूल भी नहीं गया या गई because my parents they had planned an outing for me. Children, please be coherent and concise in writing your feelings and whatever has happened. Coherent means logical and consistent. मतलब जो हुआ उसको consistently logical sequence में लिखना है. ये नहीं कि पहले लिख दिया कि हम लोग outing के लिए गए फिर उसके बाद लिख दिया कि मेरे parents ने outing plan करी. Your presentation of ideas should be logical and in a sequence, and you should write about all the incidents or happenings concisely. Concise means that you have to be brief but comprehensive. Brief में लिखो, कम words में लिखो, लेकिन सारी important details जो है वो आपको mention जरूर करनी है. Right? Okay. Now moving ahead, we quickly got dressed and went to watch a movie. फिर हमने क्या किया outing में? We watched a movie. After the movie, we had lunch in my favorite restaurant. My parents then told me that we had to attend a cousin's party in the evening. फिर हमने lunch किया. उसके बाद lunch करते करते my parents they told me that we have to attend a cousin's party in the evening. So I quickly got dressed in my best clothes for the party. When we reached there, I was surprised to see all my relatives and friends wishing me in the party, and a big birthday cake was lying on the table. So जब हम party में पहुंचे, what did we see? That all my relatives and friends, they were there and they all were wishing me in the party. The party was not of my cousin, but it was my surprise birthday party. As there was a big birthday cake lying on the table. My parents had arranged that surprise party for me. My joy knew no bounds. My joy knew no bounds means मेरी खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं रहा. I hugged my parents and thanked them. So out of happiness, I hugged my parents and thanked them. We all enjoyed in the party and my friends rocked the stage. So we all had a great time in the party and my friends, they rocked the stage, with their dance. Later, when we came back home, I opened all the gifts. I'm really very happy as it was the best birthday ever. Indeed, I am blessed to have such wonderful parents. May God bless my parents. So if you remember that we have to end our diary with an appropriate conclusion. So what we will write? Good night, it is time to sleep now. And then we have to write the name of the writer. So since it is written that imagine you are Raj or Rohini. So since I am a girl, so I am writing Rohini. In case if any boy is there, then you can write Raj as well. Now moving ahead to example 2. Recently you got a chance to go to Delhi by air. It was your first flight journey. Write a diary entry, share your experience and feelings of your first flight. You are Abhinav or Anu. So in this, you have to write your experience of your first flight. पहली बार आपने by air travel किया है, उसकी feelings लिखनी है हमें. So first of all, we will begin with the format. That is, first of all, we will write day, that is Tuesday. Then we will write date, that is June 30, 2020. After that, we will leave one line. Then we will write time, like 10:30 p.m. Again, we will leave one line. And then we will begin with our content matter. Now, since this is also a, happy incident or experience of mine, so we will begin it with in a happy tone. This day has been a wonderful day for me. I wish to share with you the excitement of my first flight to Delhi. So, you are even writing in a very, excited tone. आपकी जो words हैं, उन्हीं से आपके एक्साइटमेंट जो है वो पता लगने चाहिए. I was counting on this day since we booked the tickets. Counting on this day means मतलब दिन गिन रहा था जब से हमने air tickets book करी थी. We reached airport early. After getting the boarding passes and after fulfilling all the formalities, we got into the plane and an air hostess greeted us. Greeted means welcomed us with a smile. The children see, can you notice that मैंने सारे आइडियाज जो हैं वो एक लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस में प्रेजेंट किए हैं. एक्साइटमेंट शो करी, देन काउंटिंग ऑन द डे सिंस वी बुक द टिकट्स, देन वी रीच्ड द एयरपोर्ट, then we got the boarding passes, fulfilled all the formalities, and then we got into the plane and air hostess welcomed us. So in logical sequence. Initially I was scared when the plane was about to take off. Scared means डरा हुआ, मतलब I was scared because it was the first flight. Initially means in the beginning. So I grabbed my mom's hand firmly. Firmly means tightly and grab means to hold. So I grabbed my mom's hand firmly. My dad noticed it and told me that there was no need to get nervous, and in fact I was going to enjoy the flight. So dad noticed, my nervousness, and he told me that don't get nervous. In fact, I was going to enjoy the flight, and he was right in saying so. And my father was absolutely right in saying that I was going to enjoy the flight because I really did enjoy the flight. So after that, we will write how I enjoyed my flight and what did I do. So when I saw the white clouds floating near the window, I was really excited. So when I saw the clouds floating in the sky, I felt good, I felt excited. I could see the beauty of the sky as I had a window seat. So sky की beauty को appreciate किया मैंने because I was sitting near the window. The birds flying in the sky looked so wonderful, and the birds which were flying in the sky, they were looking wonderful, amazing. I thoroughly enjoyed my first flight and I felt sad when the journey ended. So I enjoyed my first flight and I was sad when the journey was about to end. We reached the airport at 5:30 p.m. We went straight to our uncle's home. We were greeted warmly by my uncle's family. So after reaching there, we went to my uncle's home, and this day would definitely be one of the most unforgettable days of my life. After this, we will write end with an appropriate conclusion. So we will write catch you later. Catch you later means फिर मिलते हैं, bye. And after that we will write the name of the writer. That is given to you in the heading. So we will be writing that name only, Abhinav or Anu. Boys will write Abhinav and the girls will write Anu. Now let us revise or recall whatever we have learned. So first of all, let us read what a diary entry is. A diary entry is a record of personal feelings or experiences related to any incident of significance. Then secondly, it is always written in first person, that is I, me or my, and the language that is used is informal. Then related to the format, day, date and time, they should be mentioned in the upper left hand corner. And while writing the content, we should be very honest while writing our feelings and experiences. Then when we are going to end the diary, then we should end with an appropriate conclusion. Suppose you are talking about a place, then you can end your diary entry with these words: I can't wait to go to that place again. या अगर आप अपने डे के बारे में बात कर रहे हो and your day was really wonderful, then you can write that it was a tiring means बहुत मतलब exhausting day था, but exciting day, but मजेदार दिन था. In this way you can end your diary entry with an appropriate conclusion. I hope that you all have understood how to write a diary entry, and thank you so much for watching this video with patience.